Uh, my name is Brian Bingham. My job title is I work in the repair department, a welder, fabricator, do hydraulics, got our own engineering a lot of times. Basically is what it is. Hardest part of my job is sometimes waiting for parts or ordering parts that doesn't come here on time and you got stuff laying around, but it's pretty mellow, but climbing under trucks and on top and stuff like that. But sometimes it's rough, sometimes it's easy, but working 8-hour days and you never know what you're going to get in to work in. When you work in the repair department, you never know what's going to come in for you to work on, so I can't really say a typical day. So I like my job because I have a lot of variety. I come to work and I don't know what I'm going to be working on that day, which makes it more interesting, not boring at all. So I either welding a handle on some old lady's frying pan or working on a $250,000 sprayer, You never know. Special about GK Machine is I've been here 23 years and I've seen a lot of growth in this company. I think Gary's a pretty good businessman, and I've seen it go from hardly nothing all the way up to all the brand new CNC machines and stuff. It's really expanded and for the good, keeping up with everybody else. Came a long ways. Worked with, we built a lot of repair department. We built a lot of prototype machines. A couple years ago, we built this broccoli harvester from scratch, all the way till we put it out in the field and worked pretty good and stuff like that. And a lot of interesting stuff here. I took a combine one time, had to shorten it to 12 feet from 16 feet, the header and everything, stuff like that. It's pretty interesting.